Get involved with the Partners in Healthcare network to shape the future of the ambulance service in Wales. Here at the Welsh Ambulance Service, we want to hear your views and experiences to help us meet the needs of your local community. You may be a patient, carer, voluntary worker, or a member of the public. We want you to get involved and help make a difference. Changes have already been made as a result of the valuable contributions made by existing network members. To carry on making improvements, we are looking for new members to join us. There are lots of ways you can get involved, like sharing your patient story to tell us what your experience was of using our service. You can also help to make sure that new leaflets are easy to read, well designed, and give a clear message. Or even come along to one of our meetings to join in with discussions and get your voice heard. As a member, we will keep you up to date with news and information on how the network is influencing change by sending you a copy of our network newsletter twice a year. It's up to you how often you want to get involved and what activities you want to be part of. You can get more information about our network and join online through our website at www.ambulance.wales.nhs.uk or call the Partners in Healthcare team during office hours on 01792 776 252. Get involved and help make a difference.